Grammar part 2. Some converts are able to and some converts are give permission. Okay. Now we are going to J Roman. What does can mean in these sentences? Discuss with your friend. Okay, children? And then write A for able to or P for permission. Okay. You have to write A for able to or P for permission. First sentence. Mystery and Mickey can climb a tree. Is it right? They are able to climb a tree. Yes. So this one is able to. So you have to A, capital A. Okay. Already first one they gave. Now second one. You can bring sweets to school on your birthday. Okay. Mother said you have to bring sweets to school on your birthday. This one is permission. So P. And our third one, you can go out and play till the bell rings. Okay, teacher said you can go out and play till the bell rings. When the bell ring is there, you have to go and play. This one is also permission. So P. Fourth one, I can play football well. Okay, this one is able to play football. So A, capital A. Fifth one, you can use my pencil. You have to use my pencil. This one is permission. So P, capital P. Okay. K Roman. Arrange these sets of words in alphabetical order. Okay. You have to arrange the alphabetical order and write them in your notebook. You have to write all of you in your notebooks in CW. Okay. First one, what is that for four words? Store, dinner, city, floor. Okay, you have to write in alphabetical order. These are jumbling order. You have to write in alphabetical order. Okay, what is the first letter of these four words? The first letter is S, second letter is D, third C, fourth one F. Okay, in these four words, what is the first letter? S, D, C, F. Okay, in these four letters, what is the first letter? C. Okay, so C is the first one. Okay, first you have to write city, and the second one, what is the another one? D. D means second one, so dinner. And third one, F and S. F and S remaining words are there. So what is the first letter in S and F? F. So this one is third one, floor. And last one, fourth one is stone. So you have to write first city, second one dinner, third floor, and fourth one stone. You have to write in alphabetical order. Okay, children? Now second one, scratch, pickle, country, teeth. Okay, in this one also you have to search first letter of these four words. First letter is S, P, C, T. Okay, what is the first letter? C. So this one is first one. You have to write first order. And next second one, P, pickle. You have to write second one. And next third one, yes, of the T. Yes, T. Okay, yes, scratch is the third one. Teeth is the fourth one. Okay, first you have to write country, pickle, scratch, and teeth. Now third one, sugar, trap, grain, mouse. Okay, what is the first letter of these four words? Yes, T, G, M. Okay, in these four letters, what is the first one? G. G for grain. Okay, this is the first one. And S, M, mouse. This one is second one. And now third one, sugar. Yes. Okay. Yes, sugar. So third one. Yes after T. Trap. Okay. Already you know very well in alphabetical order. So you have to write in correct order, all of you. And you have to write in your notebook, please, and post me. Okay, children. Words that name things are called nouns. Okay. Name things are called nouns. Some nouns name things in generals. Some nouns in general. When we say cat or mouse or city, we mean any cat, mouse or city, not a particular cat, mouse or city. These nouns are common nouns. First I will say one more time. Okay, When we have to say, if for example is cat, mouse, city, whatever it may be, just we have to, there is nothing but there is no naming word only for cat. So many cats are there, but we have to say, in our lesson, what is the cat name? Bella. Okay, we have to mention a particular name, Bella. But in this example, we have to say only for cat. So this one is common noun. And mouse is a common noun. Mouse name is Mickey or Misty. Okay, that is a particular names, that is called particular names is called, that means we have to call proper nouns. Okay, I will say proper nouns after some time. First you have to learn common nouns. Okay children, when a common noun talks about more than one of a thing, we call it a plural noun. We add yes to a noun to make it plural. A common noun is about more than one of a thing is there, we call plural noun. Okay, for example, noun is a common noun, is a singular word, Okay, we have to add yes, that means plural noun, nouns. Okay, cat, cats, house, houses. Okay, cat spelling C-A-T, cat, and cats, so cat is common noun and cats plural noun. Okay, house, 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 but plural noun of house is houses, Houses, houses. Okay, we add the yes in slightly different ways to some plural nouns because of the way they are spelled. First one, adding es. For example, fox, fox. Foxes means, what is the spelling of foxes? Foxes. In this column only we have to add es. Fox, foxes. Bus, buses. Peach, peaches. Okay, foxes, foxes, foxes. Buses, bus, buses. Peaches, peaches, peaches. Changing y into I and adding es. Okay, for example, city. What is the spelling of city? C-I-T-Y, city. Okay, you have to drop y. Okay, so you have to drop y and add I-E-S. Okay, city, C-I-T-Y, city. What is the plural form of cities? C-I-T-I-E-S. Because of y is drop and add I-E-S. Okay, already we learned in second class. And country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country, C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S, countries. Okay, party, P-A-R-T-Y, party, parties, plural noun of party, P-A-R-T-Y drop, so I-E-S, parties. Okay, changing F-A into V and adding E-S. Okay, for example, knife. Knife spelling K-N-I-F-E, knife. You have to drop V-F-E. Okay, and you have to write V-E-S. Okay, add V. Already we have to add E-S also. So V-E-S. When F-E is there, which the last letter is F-E, you have to drop F-E and add V-E-S. Okay, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Plural noun is K-N-I-V-A-S. Cough, coughs. Off, offs. Okay, sometimes the plural noun is quite different. Okay, mouse, plural noun is mice. Child, plural noun is children. Okay, sometimes the plural noun remains the same. Same thing is there. Okay, it's the common noun is same and the plural noun is same word is there. So for example, deer, deer, sheep, sheep. Okay, when we mean a particular cat or mouse or city, we use their special name such as Tom or Jerry or Nagpur. So these are special names of nouns. Okay, these special names are called, we have to say, proper nouns. Okay, when we write a proper name, we always begin it with a capital letter. When we have to write a proper noun, first letter is must and should, you have to write capital letter. And see all of you, do you know the difference between common noun or proper noun? Yes, common noun is nothing but a general name and Proper noun is nothing but a special name. A particular name is there. That is proper noun. Okay. Some like names. What is your name? My name is Raj. My name is Ram. That's like proper name. Is the name is common noun. Okay. L. Roman. Read these sentences. Write the nouns in bold and common nouns or proper nouns. So all of you, in this L. Roman we have 6 sentences are there. Is the first one, Mary the cook opened the kitchen door. So all of you, Mary is a bold word and door is a bold word. Okay. So in these 6 sentences we have bold words are there. See, Bella, cat, things, Misty, ice, Mickey, raisin, cupboard, kitchen. Okay, in these bold words we have difference. First she is common nouns and the second one is proper nouns. Okay, common nouns. First one already there, right? Okay, door. Door is a common noun. Because of which door they don't mention. So door is a common noun. The second first one is a Mary. Okay, Mary is a proper noun. Okay, Mary. Okay, that is the naming. Okay, particular name is there. So Mary is a proper noun. Okay, second one, Bella the cat scratched at the door. Okay, Bella. Bella is the cat name. So Bella is a proper noun. And the cat is, so many cats are there, but only cat is the general name. So that is the common noun. So cat, common noun. The third one, there were nice things to eat. Okay, things. Which things are there? They don't mention. So only things. So that is the common noun. Okay. Fourth one, Misty could not believe his eyes. Misty could not believe his eyes. Misty. Misty is the naming of mouse. So Misty is the proper noun. Okay. Eyes. Which eyes? They don't mention. So that is the common noun. Okay. Eyes is common noun. Fifth one. Mickey gave his friend a raisin. Okay. Mickey. Mickey is a mouse name. So that is the proper noun. So Mickey is proper noun. Raisin is a common noun. So raisin. And this one, the cupboard was in the kitchen. Is a cupboard and kitchen are common nouns. So you have to write this one. Okay. And as M. Roman, write a proper noun for each common noun. Okay. These are common nouns. Okay. School, cat, city, book, river, newspaper, girl, and road. Okay. These 8 are common nouns. You have to write that proper noun. Okay, all of you? First one is school. Which school? The national school. The national school is a proper noun. Okay, cat. Cat is, you know that common noun? Yes, cat is common noun. What is the cat proper noun? Okay, you have whatever maybe you have to write. Is it Bella, Kitty, whatever maybe you have to write. I write Kitty. Okay, Kitty is the naming of cat. So that is proper noun. And now city. City, New Delhi. Okay, this one is proper noun. Book, the Jungle Book. Book in the Jungle Book. This one is proper noun. River, Ganga. So Ganga is proper noun. Newspaper, the Times of India. The Times of India. Okay, seventh one, girl. Girl is any girl name. I write Neha. Okay, you have to write anything. Okay. Eighth one, road. Which road? Highway road. Okay, these are proper nouns. Okay. N. Roman, write the plural of these words. So you have to write the plural words of these words. Okay. First one, foot. What is the foot of the plural word? Feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Okay. Second one, bunch. What is the bunch of plural word? Bunches. You have to add only for es. Okay. B-U-N-C-H-E-S, bunches. Third one, furniture. You have to write same word because of some plural nouns is remain the same. So furniture, furniture. Fourth one, country. Okay, country plural word is, you have to drop the I and add IES. COUNTRIES, countries. Okay, grain, grains. GRAIN. You have to add only for yes, grains. Home, homes, same like that. Okay, seventh one, shelf. Shelf, shelves. Okay, you have to drop the F and add VES. V and ES also. Okay, shelves. SHELVES, shelves. City. In the city, Y is dropped and add IES. So cities, CITIES, cities. Ninth one, life. LIFE, life. Okay, you have to drop the FE and add VES, lives. Okay, LIVES, lives. Okay, children. And now, O Roman, I will discuss in our classroom. Okay, children. P. Roman, Misty and Mickey felt many things. Discuss with your partner and write Mickey or Misty in the table. Okay, you have to write in this box only for Mickey or Misty. First, see name of the mouse. Okay, you know the mouse names. First one is Misty and the second one is Mickey. Okay, you have to write these words only. How the mouse felt. How the mouse felt, you have to write that name. Okay, is the first one surprised. Who was surprised? Mickey. Okay, first one already they gave. Okay, what is second one? Alarmed. Who was alarmed? Yes, Misty. Okay, you have to write Misty. Who was excited? Okay, who was excited? Misty was excited. Okay, what is that? Okay, he was excited. So Misty. Unsafe. Okay, who is unsafe? Misty. Okay, and then you have to write same as like, see all of you, Mickey was surprised to see the simple food in the country. Okay, Mickey was surprised. Same as like, you have to write these three words use. Okay, you have to use these three words and write these sentences in your notebook. Okay, children. And now Q Roman, look at the picture and write a few words about it under each heading. Okay, children. So, what are the headings? Things, characters, and actions. First, you have to look at the bow. First, you have to look at this picture, all of you. So, what are the things are there? You have to write this from. And what are the characters are there? You have to write this from. And what are the actions? You have to write this from. Okay. We have two blanks are there. Okay. First one already they gave books. Okay. What are the things? Books. Okay. Is it? Books are there. And table and blackboard. Okay, some more also. Okay, chat. Okay, desk. Okay, so many things are there, but you have to write only for two things. And that's characters. First one they gave student 1. Okay, student 1, student 2, student 3, and student 4. Okay, it's a characters only. We have only 3 blanks, so already first one they go student 1. Okay, you have to write student 2 and student 3. Okay, now actions. What are the actions are there? First one, reading. He is reading. Okay, okay, one person is writing. Okay, another person is looking out of the window. Okay, see all of you, he is looking out of the window. So you have to write this like, ma'am. Okay, all of you, did you understand all of you this grammar part? Okay.